Okay, hello everyone. In the last session, we discussed limitation of statistics. The continuation part in this session, we are going to continue. What are the other limitation of statistics we are having? Last session, we discussed statistics gives only aggregate facts, those points we discussed. In this session, the continuation part, we are discussing it. Statistics laws are not stable, means whatever the statistics laws we are going to use, it should not be the same in overall world or overall globe. Whatever we use in India, it may change in Japan. Means whatever used for one particular project, one particular analysis, it should not be the same for another project also. Means when we are using the laws for one project to another project, it may same. If you come to commerce, in accounts, normally we use principles of accounts. It is forever for all the projects, it is same. But in statistics is not like that. Whatever you do the project analysis, for one project analysis there may be a different law, for another one there may be a different law. It should not be a same. This is the another limitation of statistics what we are having. And statistic cannot be applied to qualitative statistics. Means statistics normally deals with quantitative data, means measurable. Quantitative means where we can measure in numbers. It does not deal with the quality. It deal with qualitative data, but sometimes, but we should be convert into numbers. We should be converted into data, then only we can run with the statistics. So statistics normally does not deal with qualitative data like bad, good, beautiful, so nice, amazing. He is a very good person, he is very bad person, it is very beautiful, it is not beautiful. So for these kind of things, statistics cannot be applied. These are like a categorical or qualitative data. These statistics cannot be applied. It should be converted into numbers or data, then we can run it. So this is another drawback or limitation of statistic is we cannot deal with qualitative data. We can deal with only quantitative, means where we can measure in numbers. So these are the major limitation of statistics what we have. So there are many limitations. These are the major statistics what we are having. The limitations are the drawbacks of statistics. Thank you, everyone.